Warm weather is here, and that means gardeners are enjoying the tasks that come with having a garden. However, pruning, weeding, watering, and planting can all get quite dirty, not to mention muddy at times. To find the best gardening shoes, we put 24 pairs to the test and wore them in our own gardens for 6 months, noting how they held up over time through a variety of conditions and activities. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 gardening shoes on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Emoji Unisex Garden Clogs Shoes. If you're looking for a style that's less expensive than other options, the best gardening shoes to consider are these unisex clogs from Emoji. We like the breathability, thanks to the multiple holes and the lightweight material. Part of what makes this pair some of the best gardening shoes to consider is their design, which we rated a 4/5. Overall, we like that the holes on the top of the shoe are smaller than some similar styles from other brands, which means less soil can work its way into the shoes. The shoes received a lower score for quality, as we noted there are no straps and they're made of a lightweight, waterproof foam material. They're a very simple slip-on style, however, which allowed us to easily take them on and off, something we appreciated when quickly harvesting produce. Sizes: women's 6 to 15, men's 5 to 13, widths, standard, materials, rubber, waterproof, yes. Number 2. Naturalizer Women's Marianne Casual Slip. For a stylish yet comfortable style, the best gardening shoes are Naturalizer's Women's Marianne Loafer. These slip-on loafers are made of leather and have a synthetic sole. Plus, they also offer plenty of arch support as well as a removable insert, so they'll keep you comfortable while working outdoors. When it came to design, we gave them a perfect score as we felt we could take this pair from the garden to a dinner reservation. Unlike other styles, the shoes are not water resistant or waterproof, so cleaning them requires a bit of extra care using dish soap and paper towels. Because of this, the shoes are best for light gardening and yard work that won't get them very dirty. After months of testing, we found that these do look dingier than when we first wore them, and we've been hesitant to reach for them for gardening to keep them in decent condition. Number 3. Extra Tooth Women's 15-inch Legacy Boot. This pair of 100% waterproof boots come up to about mid-calf, making them some of the best garden shoes, especially for heavier duty gardening work. During testing, they didn't let any water in and they provided excellent traction, even while we were working in wet and muddy areas. Overall, the gardening shoes received high scores for quality, comfort, and durability. We found that they were waterproof and sturdy and provided great traction, even in particularly muddy areas. It's worth noting, however, that deep treads like the ones on this pair tend to hold onto dirt and debris, so a tester had to spend a bit of time cleaning them. We felt that the boots were comfortable and provided arch support, but they weren't very breathable. However, they do have a lining that helps our feet stay dry. Plus, if you need a shorter style, the boots can be rolled down a bit. Number 4. Muck Boot Women's Rubber Garden Boots Snow. If you prefer a style with a higher shaft for yard work, the best gardening shoes are women's Muckster 2 Mid. They're waterproof boots that can be rolled down to fit more like a shoe. Plus, they're designed so dirt won't stick to them very easily and they offer great traction, so the shoes will help keep you steady in wet conditions. When it came to quality, we felt that the shoes were very sturdy and noted that water didn't get into the boots, even when we wore them while rinsing them with a hose. They protected our feet on everything from wet grass to mulch to wet pavement and had such good traction that even when they tried to slip on wet surfaces they couldn't. The boots get warm over time, but unlike other gardening shoes, you'll be able to roll this pair down into a shorter style. Number 5. Evercreatures Women's Rain Boot. Thanks to their cotton lining and waterproof rubber soles, these ankle boots are the best garden shoes if you need a waterproof pair. The gardening shoes received high scores across the board, and we particularly appreciated the pair's quality and design. Overall, we gave this pair a perfect score for quality, noting that they had a comfortable height and wide mouth that made them easy to put on. They also don't have an overly bulky feel, so they won't weigh you down while gardening. Plus, we ran a hose over them on various modes and noted there were no leaks. After months of testing, we still have no complaints in terms of quality and durability. We also appreciated that they come in several colors and patterns and that the treads are nice and deep, so you'll have better traction whether you're running an errand or working in the soil. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.